Hello friends, this is Dhruvi. If you are seeing my video for the first time, then please do subscribe to see my further videos as I upload my new videos every Monday and Friday. Okay guys, so this video is literally amazing, like not amazing types. Okay, so for the people who are watching this video for the first time, who don't know that every month I give review of my month, and it's just for to connect to us, like we can connect to each other. And if you have such things, you can just let me know in the comment section so we may know each other. I won't waste a lot of time. Without wasting time, let's go to the video. Okay, first thing, August month also came and went really very easily, and I can't even imagine like September aa gaya. Okay, so August month was started with that small baby which was born in June. I have said in my previous videos as well. We have welcomed her at our home, like she was at her nani's place, and she came our home for the first time, and the whole decoration, video shooting, everything was done by me. And if you must be following me on my social medias, you must be knowing that the video was literally amazing done by me, and everyone were just appreciating me, and I was like literally very happy. But it was literally amazing, the decoration we did within like 1 or 2 hours, and I was about to film that decoration, but what happened is that I forgot my camera at my home only. And it's okay, not a problem, but the decoration was amazing. It was done by papers and balloons, that's all, nothing else. Not even an extra penny was spent on that. And that was all. And the baby was really very cute, like she is cute. Okay, her name is Zia, and I call her Khushi by my, like it's the nickname given by me to her. Okay, that was the one thing. And the next thing was Raksha Bandhan, and all the weekends were with family only this time. And next thing was Raksha Bandhan and Independence Day and all the stuffs. But let's talk about Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan also, it was very nice. I enjoyed a lot. I'll put that short clip over here in this video with my brother and the my other brothers to whom I tie Rakhi every year. They stay at Dubai, and unfortunately I have to just send them Rakhi and not tie them. So it's okay. Next thing in Raksha Bandhan, I got a gift. It's a watch, and I'll put the picture over here. It's a fast track watch given to me by my brother, and I was very happy. And for the people who don't know, I wear watch regularly. Like my wrist without watch is like, I feel it's literally incomplete. You know what, you won't believe, I can go miles away, and if I realize that I have forgotten my watch, I'll come again home. No matter what, I'll wear my watch and then go. So like that particular, I am with my watch. Okay, and the next thing is that I took a new phone, that is MIK20. Yes, I'm not replacing my iPhone, that's my work phone. So for work I needed a phone, so I took that. And it's really nice phone. It has launched recently and it is really amazing. It has pop-up camera, and I just love that phone. Okay, next thing is that I started with TikTok. Yeah, like you know what, few months back when I started TikTok, I tried filming a TikTok video. I was unable to film. I don't know what happened that time, but this time like I just opened TikTok and just watching other videos, and I just loved it. So like just using that TikTok, and if you guys want, you can follow me there also. Then next thing, it's nothing to say anything new, because everything is updated on my social media. And every Friday I have been Glass House for Amir Mir, and it's amazing. Like the Friday night is always amazing for me. And next thing is that there was a Jain festival that is called as Paryushan, and it was amazing. Like I enjoyed that as well. And then the Ganpati, that was the start of September. But Paryushan was also amazing. Like it was a festival of Jain, and I just love that thing. And in this month, one of my friend again went USA. No, not again. One of my friend went USA. Like one of my very close friend. Like we were friends since 7 to 8 years. So like he went and we went airport to drop him, and it's again a major missing in life. Like my all friends are going US, I don't know what's wrong. And yeah, it's okay, everyone has their own ambitions in their life, so it's okay. But then also यार friend जाता है लगता है यार. And the whole month I have planned for 10k subscribers, and I have literally amazing things planned for that, which is soon going to cross, and it's just going to boom my channel. Yeah, that's what I feel, and I hope you guys support me. Okay, next thing, you know what, it was raining a lot in Mumbai, and in that rains I went to my office one day by car, and my car got stuck, like battery khatam ho gaya. And I was so stressed. Then what I did, like I took help of 2-3 people, and they just dhakka mara meri car ko and kept it side, and then took the mechanic and just figured out those things. So yeah, having a car is easy, but maintaining that thing is really difficult. So yeah, if you agree with me, then please give thumbs up to this video, and if you're stuck somewhere just like me, then do let me know your experience in the comment section. Okay, next thing, for skincare and my hair care, I haven't done anything great, but yeah, I have started using aloe vera gel. Like I have seen couple of videos, they use those, so it's amazing. And for next month I am planning to just go for a healthy diet. And yes, I think I have lost a lot of weight, but then also I want to get it into shape. Yes, people, you know that I do go for Zumba, but सिर्फ exercise से नहीं होता है. It's always 80% diet and 20% workout. So yeah, we'll let's see, it's just planned. And the next thing is that I have learned that never trust anyone. Yes, I always say this, but hota hai ye. And the month was literally of ups and downs. Like some were good days, some were very bad days. I have like gone through a lot of mental stress and like bad days and many things such. So yeah, the important thing I have learned is that just come out of that. Yeah, it's important. Like move on, that's important, nothing else. Yeah, that was all for today. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And soon nice thing is going to come, so stay tuned on my channel. If you are not following me on my social media, just go and follow me on my social media. Yeah, that was all for today. Bye bye, see you next video.